The Interstellar Armada event has been going on for the past week on Rollercoin. Let's check it out today on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin have graced us with yet another great event. On my screen, you can see the announcement that was made on November 9th. So that was around 1 week ago for the Interstellar Armada event. This is a special event, okay? So the awesome space journey that's happening from November 11th to November 30th. Your goal, build your fleet of 9 mining ships by finishing missions as exciting as the adventure of the Millennium Falcon. Gather special spaceships to craft the 9.75 petahash Aurora Citadel miner with an incredible 5% bonus power. So this is very similar to that super yacht one that they had done a few months ago back in summer, where you had to collect 9 little yachts and then you'll actually get the Big Boss miner, if you remember that one, with the Big Boss yacht there with that was approximately the same amount of power as well. So this is very similar to that, okay? Now this is how it goes. You collect the 9 unique spaceships from November 11 to November 30 during events. Use them to craft your own Aurora Citadel miner during the spacecraft offer from December 1 to December 3rd. Don't miss it out, you need to start crafting manually. Join the Aurora Citadel Owners Club with only 750 spots available. After crafting, you will get the final Aurora Citadel miner. All 9 spaceship miners will be burned during the crafting process. So this is very important. You're not going to be able to keep all of the 9 spaceships that you actually acquire. They'll all be burned and merged into the one miner. So it is slightly different than the super yacht one that there was back in summer, because in the super yacht one you actually got to keep all of the yachts that you had acquired during the event, plus you got the Big Boss miner as well. In this case you're just going to get the final 9.7 petahash, okay? So space explorers, prepare for liftoff. So these are basically the events. I'm just going to run through them quite quickly. Some of the events have passed, but don't fret, because you can actually still acquire some of the miners even if you missed some of the events here. So for example, let's say the space flash sale is now over at the time of recording this video. It was on from the 13th November to the 16th November. However, although there's no miner names here, you can actually still try to find them in the marketplace. And for example, for this one, for the space flash sale one, okay, if you go to the marketplace, I actually did a search here and scrolled down, and it's called Woodpecker, and there's 42 available for 63 RLT. Without a doubt, people will start hyping up the price because they know the event is on. So after the event, these will probably go down much lower in price. But in order to get all 9 at the moment, people will probably start to hype up the price. But it is still a way that you can acquire the miner even though you might have missed the date, okay? So that's another way that you can acquire these miners if you actually did miss the flash sale. And I don't know in actual fact if this was cheaper than the 63 that is currently on sale for now, or if it was actually more expensive in the flash sale. So if you do know, leave a comment down in the comment section below. But I have no doubt that people will probably start hyping up these prices in order to make an extra RLT or 2. So you've got all of these. So at the moment we are in the Beyond Good AI Evil Progression event, where you can acquire this miner right here at 378 terahash per second. And you've got all of the others. Innotech crafting offer, which is currently on at the moment as well. So some of them do overlap, and it goes straight down to the very last one, which is going to be the Cyber Monday sale, which is going to run from the 27th of November to the 30th of November, and that's going to give you 432 right there. There are a couple of larger miners as well, so if you don't actually manage to get all 9 of them, you'll be keeping whatever you do get. So it doesn't matter if you don't get all 9. You won't get, okay, the 9.25 petahash ones, but it's not like you're going to lose these just because you didn't get to the final outcome. So if you manage to get 8 out of 9, you'll keep those 8, okay? It's not going to be as powerful if you add these all up. It's not going to be as powerful as the final Citadel miner, but you'll still be getting more power as well. Okay, so try and get through these all if you can. Obviously the ones that have already passed, you can try and maybe find them on Marketplace by scrolling through Marketplace. I just went through the pages, you know, and I just found them. I don't have the names there because they didn't list the names, so if you just try and maybe scroll through and try and find them, if you see a spaceship there, you'll say, ah, maybe that's one there, that's another there. Okay, like I found the woodpecker one. Okay, but they might not all be available, so the ones with the crafting offers, maybe those might not be available, and whoever did craft those might not be able to sell them either. Okay, so you might have missed out on your chance for those, but there are other ones that will be available if you actually say, oh no, in those 3 days I didn't even log on to Rollercoin, I missed out on the space flash sale. You can still get it through the marketplace. There are more flash sales coming up as well, so be sure to look out for those. So basically, I know this is a bit late to come to my channel. Apologies I couldn't release this video sooner, but I wanted you to know about this event as well and the miners that you can acquire. I'm going to leave a link to the blog down below this video so that you can check it out at your leisure as well. Just remember that all the miners, all the 9 ones that you will acquire, will be burned to form one big 9.75 petahash miner with a 5% bonus attached to it as well. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.